It's already started. So, guys, this is how to skateboard. You notice I'm on a scooter, but yeah! My little friend Robert will come out in a minute. Just to let you know this is my real voice. This is, I'm just kidding. Okay. There's this little fool right here. He's cool. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, I think. I can. Here's her. Cute. Yeah, that's right.
Yo, what up, what up? Robbie. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My phone number. Yo. Okay, this video I'm gonna teach you how to skate old school style.
But this is little Moki too. Oh yeah, we're forgetting one. Xavier! There he is. Little G. Okay. This is how you skateboard.
Alright.
So, first step.
No.
Oh yeah, he says it.
First step. First step. Skateboard. Yeah.
It's all scratched up.
Yeah. Gotta have to dump. Like
Okay.
it.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Second one. Gotta have style. Over here, baby.
What?
Gotta have style.
Yeah. Yeah. Old school. Yeah, do the
I
jerk.
know how to dance. That would be weird.
Yeah, do the wormy. Do the worm. Oh, yee.
Only I can do the one.
Okay, I don't know what that move is, but still, do it. Oh, yeah.
Somebody do that trick. I've seen somebody do that trick.
I don't care. Okay, let's do this. Hey, you already said the first step and the second and the third.
That's just the style.
So that's
Now this is how you really skate. Hey. Go like this.
That's the first step. Okay, no, you ain't allowed in the road.
I know. Hey.
All right, I slipped out my scooter. Okay. Let's run. Oh. Okay. Do the second step. Drop this little Jason.
You gotta know how to go fast and jump over stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
Not those stuff.
This is a perfect example.
Watch out, little shit. Whatever.
Yeah. I think that was good. But did you like it?
No.
Yeah, he liked it. Come on, let's do this.
Try another thing. After you done skateboarding, you gotta do a little dance. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, dance.
Oh wow.
Car.
Oh, I thought I just told him how he thinks.
How do you think?
How I think. Yeah.
Do a little rap right now.
Yeah. Yo.
How to skate.
Yo. Yeah, that's all I got.
Okay, do a real one.
I guess. I don't know how to rap.
This little fool over here, this fool's Bo. He knows how to rap good.
Yeah.
His name is Bo. He got the big head.
He doesn't even care what anybody says.
Oh, yeah.
I swear.
What do you want? You shut up. Did someone scream?
Don't scream like a little girl.
And you gotta know how to fight without the skateboard, though. This fool's just cheating right now. Go. Let's get him. Okay. Well, this is almost the end. So let me see what's over here. not much.
Buddy! Alright, guys, gotta go. Gotta get this car home to my wife.
Later. Right, yeah, get that G.
No, Rob!